Do you want to know the key to generating $100, $200, $300, $500, $1,000 paydays with your affiliate marketing business? What's going on, my friend? My name is Eric Ellis, CEO of WolvesAcademy.com, the Wolf of Marketing, and I'm literally going to go ahead and show you guys how to create simple Facebook ads, the same ads that I'm currently creating that are generating $1,000 paydays in my affiliate marketing business. So let's step behind the laptop and get right to it. All right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to create a Facebook ad fast and easy for your affiliate marketing business. Now, the first thing that you're going to need is a Facebook Business Manager account. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to business.facebook.com and create an account. Once you create an account, additionally, you're going to need to create a fan page that is related to your actual offer. So I'm promoting my own affiliate offer. So I'm using my personal Facebook fan page, which is Eric Ellis Jr., right? And I'm not going to go and teach you guys how to create a Facebook fan page. You guys can learn how to do that yourself. Additionally, after I go ahead and create my Facebook fan page, you're going to want to go ahead and set up your Facebook pixel, right? So basically you can find your Facebook pixel in the events manager. So if I go ahead and click this drop down, there's going to be the events manager, and then I can go ahead and actually connect my Facebook pixel. After I have all that set up, there's going to be three main components to creating a Facebook ad. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get access to one of my actual ads manager accounts, and then we're going to start executing. So when it comes to Facebook ads, I'm going to be teaching you guys my AAA method, basically adverts, angles, and audiences. So the first thing when it comes to creating a Facebook ad is to go ahead and actually create a campaign. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click this green button right here. And if you have your Facebook pixel set up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and call my name. I'm just going to call it Sandbox. And Sandbox means testing, but Sandbox lead conversions. And basically what I'm going to be doing is the campaign objective is I'm going to do a conversions campaign. Now, basically, if we look here, where am I actually sending this Facebook ads to? I'm going to be sending it to this landing page. And this landing page is basically a pre-sale video, and it's access to a free training where I'm going to be giving them access to basically my sales video. So here's my actual sales video, but it also has training teaching people about affiliate marketing and making an offer at the end of this sale. So basically, and I have an affiliate program attached to this as well. So whether you guys were doing weight loss, whether you guys were doing make money online, whether you guys were doing wood chipping, whatever, right? You want to make sure your landing page and your sales page are congruent as far as the color scheme. And you want to make sure that the content and the headlines are congruent. And basically all in all, just congruent, right? You don't want to be sending people from a landing page that is a black background with weird looking text to a sales video that disconnects. You want it to be a smooth, even flow. And this is where I'm going to be sending these people. So I'm going to be running a lead conversions campaign, basically wanting to get people onto this page. And if you guys look here, every time somebody lands on this page, it will fire the lead conversions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go back to my actual campaign setup, and I'm going to do a set of campaign budget optimization. I'm just going to go ahead and do regular ad sets by the ad sets. So what campaign budget optimization means is that you're going to be charged for your overall campaign. There's going to be a daily budget set, but I'm currently doing it by the ad set, and I'm going to explain to you guys what an ad set is in a second. Basically, an ad set is right here. We're clicking below Sandbox lead conversions campaign. An ad set is your audiences and your actual budget, right? If you go to that, if you do the budget on the ad set level. So I'm going to go ahead when it comes to your targeting, right? That's the first thing that we're going to go ahead and focus on. Now, first and foremost, when it comes to your ad set, another thing is you're going to go ahead and pick your specific conversion. So specifically, my conversion event that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a lead conversion. Now, guys, why am I doing a lead conversion? Because it's way easier to get more data. If you guys look here, I have 197 purchase events, 1.3 thousand initiate checkouts, and then 6.8 thousand leads. And the reason why is because it's way easier to get lead conversions. So the more data you can give Facebook, the more likely they're going to be able to optimize for that specific conversion, and the more likely you are to be successful as an advertiser. So we're going to go ahead and actually continue to scroll down in the ad set level. My daily budget that I'm going to go ahead and start with is $10. And then what I'm going to do is continue to scroll down, and I'm going to go ahead and use United States, and instead of doing 18 to 65, I'm going to do 18 to 54. So you need to go ahead and know who your target audience is for your affiliate offer. For example, let's just say I was doing weight loss. I wouldn't be targeting 18-year-old women. What 18-year-old woman needs to lose weight? If you do, you got some serious problems, right? I'm going to be targeting more so about like 30 plus. So you need to know your target audience. Mine is 18 to 54-year-old men for my affiliate offer, because I'm teaching people how to make money online. And I lead with lifestyle, and it's a male as the tribe leader or the authority, right? The main attractive character of the actual product. So I tend to get higher conversions when it comes to men. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take off this detailed targeting expansion. But the way you guys find audiences is by going to the detailed targeting, and you want what is called a North Star, right? If you had to bet your life on it, what would you target for your specific thing? Now, usually I would target something like affiliate marketing, or if you were in the weight loss niche, you might do weight loss. But I'm going to go ahead and actually find a North Star that is influencer. So I'm going to start with Grant Cardone. And basically, after you do Grant Cardone, so if you guys look at my actual audiences, I have Grant Cardone as my first audience. And then I'm going to do suggestions, and I'm going to do Tony Robbins. So I'm going to find more audiences. So Tony Robbins. I saw Robert Kiyosaki. I saw Gary Vaynerchuk. And then I also saw Rich Dad Poor Dad. I'm going to do Jim Rohn, because these are influencers. So basically what you do is, if you do the suggestions, it's going to go ahead and give you more audiences. Now, guys, basically depending on what your budget is, I'm currently spending $10 a day, right? You guys have to understand, if you spend $1, you're trying to get $2 back. So with that being said, if you're only spending $10 a day for the course of a week, which is $70 a week on ads, at best you'll make $140. So the bigger your budget, the more money you'll be able to make. So let's just say you do have a $50 per day budget. You can make $100 per day in revenue at best, right? So basically what I would do is I would go ahead and create a campaign, and then I would go ahead and create 5 different audiences, and then I would go ahead and actually have my ads running to those different audiences. But for this specific tutorial, because I'm just teaching you how to do a Facebook ad, I'm going to go ahead and do one audience setup. But in the future, after I go ahead and actually get this ad set up, depending on my budget, that's the whole point of going to the suggestions and seeing these different people that I can go ahead and display my ads in front of. Because guys, the more audiences you give Facebook, the more they're going to be able to see which one is going to give you better results. And then the more variations, right, the more options you give Facebook to deal with, it can go ahead and kind of optimize your campaigns and display it in front of the right people, and display the right ads in front of the right people to go ahead and optimize the best potential results. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, and then I'm specifically going to do manual placements. Some people will tell you to do automatic placements. I'm not going to. So I'm not going to advertise on audience networks. I'm not going to advertise on Messenger. I will go ahead and do feeds, but I'm going to go ahead and actually specifically only do Facebook and Instagram feed. And basically I'm going to go ahead and take off stories. I'm going to take off in-stream, and I'm going to take off search, and I'm going to take off an article, and that's it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click show more options. And then it's going to say only when connected to Wi-Fi. No, I do want people only to be advertised when they are connected to Wi-Fi, because if they're on 4G network or 3G, they might be on a train, they might be on the go, they might be with their friends, scrolling for 5 seconds on Instagram because they're bored, but they really don't have the time to actually sit down and watch a 15 to 30 minute sales video. So if they're on Wi-Fi, they're more likely in a comfortable setting, and it's going to go ahead and increase your conversions. Then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, And as far as bid strategies, we're gonna go ahead and keep that the same. And as far as options for your conversion window, we're gonna keep that the same. So basically, if we scroll back to the top, now that we've selected our audience, we're gonna do US 18 to 14. I already have one set up, but this is how you would go to name your actual audience. So US, and then your age, 18 to 54, and then M for men. So I actually didn't select men. Let me go ahead and actually scroll down. And when I go to gender, I'm not gonna do all genders, I'm going to do men. So for example, if you're doing a weight loss product, you would just select women. Or if your product's geared more towards women, you would do women. If your product's geared more towards men, you do men. And if you can do both, then you just keep it on all. So my audience is complete. Next thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my ads. So let's go to the AAA method, right? We have our angles, right? I'm gonna show you guys an angle in my ads, and then we've just selected our audiences. Now I'll start off with 5. If you guys have a bigger budget, you guys can literally just continue to find different suggestions after you pick your North Star person. So if I was to go ahead and pick affiliate marketing, I could find other things. But if you guys start with an influencer, right, you're gonna get way more suggestions, right? Basically, what I'm gonna do is says connect your Instagram account. So if you guys do have an Instagram account, you can, or you can just use existing page. So I'm basically gonna go ahead and use my actual page for my Facebook fan page. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an ad, and then this is where the advert and the angle comes into play. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add media. So this is my advert, and I'm going to add a video ad. And I'm going to go ahead and upload, and then we're going to use this ad called computers. So this one's gonna take a little while to actually upload. While that's uploading, I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple more things. Basically guys, if you don't have the ability to create video ads like I do, or if your actual affiliate program does not provide content, because you guys should be promoting an affiliate program that does give you access to content. So for example, if you guys were to promote my affiliate product, Affiliate Marketing Wolf, right here, not only am I gonna give you guys the landing page, but I'm also gonna go ahead and give you guys the access to the sales video. Obviously that's obvious because you have to get access to your affiliate link, but I will also give you access to successful ads, right? So if you guys wanna go ahead and promote on Instagram, you have to have a video advert that is, if you notice, my video advert is 47 seconds. So the actual ad has to be less than 60 seconds, and the dimensions has to be 1080 times 1350 max. Now, one thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go ahead and edit the video. And I like to go ahead and go to my thumbnail, and I'm gonna go to manual thumbnail selection. So I wanna go ahead and actually select the thumbnail that is going to capture people's attention. So I'm specifically, let me see here, because I don't wanna, I'll start with that one, right? So we'll save this thumbnail, and then, right, when it comes to the actual angle, so we found our advert. Now guys, if your affiliate offer does not have actual ads, right? So let's just say luxury. If they don't give you access to ads, what you can do is literally go to Google and type in what are the type of things that your target audience, right? Mine specifically are younger millennial men. They would be interested in stuff like luxury, right? So for example, I could go ahead and literally use this as an ad. Now I'm not saying this is gonna go ahead and get approved on Facebook, but I can split test these different type of ads and see if I can go ahead and get them approved. So one thing when it comes to actually running ads on Facebook, you want to go ahead and use multiple variations. Now, because I have created one video, I'm not going to do one video ad. I'm just going to go ahead and actually duplicate the ad and switch up the thumbnail. Now, for time's sake, I'm not going to do it. But if you guys were doing image ads, you'd want to go ahead and structure your campaign out like this. You want to go ahead and do 4 different variations in your adverts. So what that means is, one will be like, for example, if I was to do luxury, I would do one with this photo, one with this photo, one with this photo, and one with this photo. I'd split test this guy and the drop top. I split test 3 different images to see which one has a higher click-through rate and to see which one has better, is getting lower cost per lead. Additionally, if I was to go to, let's just say, if I was to type in love or in love, right? I could go ahead and do these people right here. I could do these people right here. So I could split test these different images right? Couple in love, if I was doing like a romance niche, so on and so forth, you guys get the point, right? I specifically have a lifestyle video that has been created for myself that I'm going to be using from actual affiliate offer. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead to the actual ad copy, which is the meat and the potatoes, right? So this is where the real money is made. And your actual advert, now obviously putting your, so it doesn't matter how good your copy is, right? Your ad copy, and it doesn't matter how good your actual advert is if you're getting it in front of the wrong people. For example, if I was to go ahead and display this ad copy and this actual ad in front of the audience weight loss, people are going to look at me crazy and I'm not going to get results. But if I go ahead and display it in front of Grant Cardone, who is an entrepreneurship influencer, I'm going to have more of a chance of getting results. So the most important thing to getting results in your Facebook advertising is displaying it in front of the right people. So you want to go ahead and get it in front of the right audience. After you're in front of the right audience, then you want to go ahead and craft the right marketing message. So I'm going to go ahead and actually read to you guys this ad copy. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is the actual headline. So a hidden and booming industry that anyone can tap into. So the whole point of the headline, guys, basically how it works is when people, and we have the headline right here, when people go ahead and come across your ad, the first thing that they're going to do is they're going to go and look at your image or your video. And then after that captures their attention, they're then going to go ahead and read the headline to see if they should go ahead and actually read your ad copy. And then if the headline captures their attention, then they're going to go ahead and actually read your ad copy. Now, one thing, before I even go ahead and read you guys my ad copy, it is important for you guys to know that the character count, and you guys can literally just go to lettercount.com and paste it, right? If I count characters, it's 1,565 characters. I like to write long form copy. Your copy has to be below 2,200 characters to put it on Instagram. So let's go ahead and actually read the marketing message that I crafted. Now, guys, you have to understand your target audience and what their hopes, wants, dreams, and desires are. So basically, the first thing that you want to do when it comes to your advertising is you want to go ahead and hit them with the hook. So you know what I hate about running an online business? Question mark. Anybody who's scrolling who reads that hook, people naturally are drawn towards negativity. Why do you think all these headlines are negative? Because people naturally want to read things that are negative to make them feel good about themselves. So if they hear somebody else complaining, they'd like to read that. So this is naturally going to go and capture people's attention. And then I just follow it with absolutely nothing. It's everything I ever expected it to be. I get to wake up whenever I want and I work from wherever I want. So the reason why I'm saying I get to wake up whenever I want and I get to work from wherever I want is because that is a core desire of my target audience. So for example, if let's just say you're in weight loss, is obviously I'm not going to write I feel sexy, but whatever, insert core desire here, right? You guys get the point. I said it's priceless. And recently I created a free training. So I'm already transitioning to my offer, or at least letting them know that I'm going to be offering something like this, which eventually when they click the link, they're going to get to this page and then they're going to opt in. And then after they opt in, they're going to become a lead and then they'll get access to the free training, AKA my offer. So basically where you'll discover a new hidden and booming industry that anyone can tap into. And this is where I build curiosity, because they're probably going to be like, oh, this is some MLM, or this is probably dropshipping, because guys, everybody and their mother is selling a dropshipping product nowadays. So I want to go ahead and establish that it's not these things, so that way I can go ahead and build curiosity. It's not MLM, it's not Amazon, it's not dropshipping, it's not social media marketing. Now guys, this is just one of many ways you can write ad copy, but this is just the ad copy that I'm creating. So this goes for any type of ad and any type of niche. Hook, story, offer. You want to go ahead and hook, right? You want to go ahead and hook their attention at the top with the headline and the hook at the top of your ad. Then you want to go ahead and engage them and basically tap into their pain or tap into their desires, and then have a strong call to action. So it's not MLM, it's not Amazon, it's not drop shipping, it's not social media marketing or anything else you've probably heard of lately. And additionally, one thing I didn't add is you want to go ahead and also show them how whatever it is you're offering can help them either acquire that desire or acquire that specific problem that they're trying to solve, help them solve their problem. It's a new industry that anyone can tap into. However, this isn't some get rich quick, click of a button, make money with no effort crap. So the reason why I want to establish that is because, guys, people who are trying to get rich quick, people who want that type of stuff, I want to completely get them away from my advertisement. I don't want them to buy my stuff because, number one, those are the type of people who don't really invest Number two, those are the type of people who aren't even going to go ahead and take action on my product. So I don't want people to buy my product if they're not going to use it. And number three is everybody on the internet is preaching get rich quick, get rich fast, so on and so forth. So if you do the completely opposite, right? People are used to hearing, oh yeah, this is another gimmick of get rich quick, so on and so forth. But if you tell people the complete opposite of every other advertiser, you're going to stick out. And if you stick out, you're going to increase your conversions. So I said, if that's what you're looking for, keep scrolling. I can't help you. This is a real business with real products, with real customers that takes real work, time, effort, and energy. So I'm basically speaking to those people who want to go ahead and change their life, but is willing to actually work towards getting it, right? That's who I want to go ahead and attract to buy my products. And you need to know and identify your dream customer, and you need to go ahead and clearly communicate to those people through your actual marketing message. But the good news is once you crack the code like I did, it's extremely gratifying and fulfilling. So I'm basically saying, look, you're going to have to put in the work, but once you crack the code, you're going to love it, right? And just so happens to be conveniently ran from a laptop. So this is, again, a desire of my core audience. People who don't want to be stuck in a cubicle, people who want to be able to run a business from anywhere, people who want to be able to people who want to work remotely. So while this free training is still available, and that's scarcity, meaning it's not going to be available for long. So that's just another marketing tactic to increase conversions. So this is my first call to action. Click the learn more button right now for instant access. Trust me, the same business model took me from, so again, I'm talking about the journey that I went through and how this saved me and how this took me from being broke to living a life that is pretty abundant, right? Anybody who's in that similar situation, who's broke, who's living paycheck to paycheck, so on and so forth, if this took someone else from broke to living in abundance, then I'm kind of basically conveying the message that this too can go ahead and help you without directly saying it, because Facebook doesn't like for you to use stuff like you or you two or call out people. They can go ahead and read between the lines and basically say, okay, if this helped him do it, maybe it can help me do it too. So it took me from dead broke, living paycheck to paycheck, and just getting by in life to traveling the world, living life on my own terms, and turning my dreams into a reality. And now more than ever is the perfect time to tap into this new industry. Guys, what I want you to understand is, what is this new industry? They have no idea what this new industry is. They know that it's to make money online and you can work from your laptop. They know it's not none of the main industries that most people are marketing right now. So it's going to go ahead and build their curiosity. The whole point, guys, is you want to go ahead and get the click. And the way that you get the click is you want to go ahead and get people's curiosity to where they cannot answer whatever questions in their head unless they click through. That's how you're going to go ahead and get high click-through rates. Because if you say affiliate marketing or weight loss pill or whatever it is you're marketing, if you say it, they're like, okay, another weight loss pill or another affiliate marketing, I don't want to do it. But if you can build their curiosity, you'll get them to take that first action. It's kind of like the domino effect. You click, you go ahead and push that one domino, and then they just continue to keep rolling over. So all you need is that first click. And then once you get that first click, you get people to click through on your landing page. You get people to click through on your actual sales video. And then it's kind of like people are habitual creatures. If somebody is starting to get in the habit of clicking and saying yes, they're going to go ahead and actually buy your product. So again, click the learn more button below right now. Hurry. Training won't be up much longer. So that is basically scarcity. Now guys, yes, that is false scarcity. I'm not here to lie to you. This training is not going anywhere. But basically, I want to go ahead and show you guys, we just use things like these to go ahead and actually create or to increase our conversions. So I'm literally just going to go ahead and paste my primary text. So we're going to go ahead and actually look at what the ad looks like. And then guys, as stated before, I would use this same ad copy, and under this actual ad set, I would go ahead and create 4 different ads with the same ad angle or ad copy, but 4 different ad images. Now, specifically for this ad, I'm going to go ahead and create 4 different thumbnails. See which thumbnail has a higher click-through rate because it's a video, right? Additionally, after this gets approved, because I have to make sure that this gets approved. After this gets approved and it's running for a day or so, and I know that it is getting approved by Facebook, the next thing that I will do is I will go ahead and actually start sending more traffic, so increasing my budget, but also displaying it in front of different audiences at $10 per day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and name this ad. I'm gonna call it hate. Actually, I don't even want to use a negative word like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna say, oh, computers, right? So computers, and then the actual ad angle. So this is the actual ad. This is the advert, and then the actual angle is called, let's name it something dealing with, I'm just gonna call it nothing. So absolutely nothing. I'm just gonna call it nothing, right? So guys, we have our ad, we have our ad copy, we have our headline. Let me make sure that my headline is cool. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and send people to our landing page. So we're gonna scroll down. A hidden and booming industry that anyone can tap into, cool. And then we need a website URL. Now guys, as stated before, we're literally just gonna be sending people to this landing page right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paste it in the website URL. And then as long as this red thing goes away, I should be golden to be able to start running ads. And then if you wanna put a different display link, you can. But basically what you guys are gonna be marketing to, guys, is a landing page that you most likely created, right? And then you're gonna be connecting your affiliate offer on the back end. So obviously I'm promoting my own affiliate offer. I do promote other affiliate products as well. But basically what you're going to do is then press publish. And now guys, look, before I go ahead and even press publish, actually let me go ahead and press publish, who cares? I'm gonna press publish, but one thing I want you to be aware of is, guys, you are not going to get any results running $10 per day advertisement campaigns. It's just not gonna happen, right? If you're spending $70 a week, just keep that money in your pocket, right? You're gonna hear people talk about $5 a day ad campaigns, $10 a day ad campaigns. Guys, that's not how this works, right? You're going to have to spend some money. So what you wanna do is, let's just say you have a $500 budget, spread that out over the course of maybe 14 days. And what is that, like maybe $40 a day ad spend? At least with $40 a day, you can actually do something. You can go ahead and use 4 different audiences. So I could go ahead and create 4 different ads, meaning one could be like, if I was doing images, I could do 4 separate images or 4 separate thumbnails on one video. And then I could go ahead and do Grant Cardone. So I could go ahead and display that ad in front of Grant Cardone, Gary Vee, Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki. And then I can go ahead and eventually, right, if let's just say one of these audiences didn't work out, then I go ahead and go to the next one, Jim Rohn. And then I continue to find suggestions, continue to find winning audiences. And then once you find winning audiences that are actually turning over a profit, then what you're going to do is you're going to start increasing your budget with, if you're doing campaign optimization, you can do you could do vertical scaling. If you're doing ad set optimization, you can do horizontal scaling. But guys, at the end of the day, in order to be successful with Facebook ads, it's all about mindset, right? You have to have the mindset to where if you lose money, it's not a matter of if you're going to lose money, but when. You're going to lose money, right? You're going to go ahead and get data, right? You're going to get data. And additionally, guys, you guys just need to make data-driven decisions, right? So this is in review. We're going to go ahead and let that be in review. We're going to go ahead and basically wait for it to get approved. And guys, that is how you create a Facebook ad for affiliate marketing fast and easy. So guys, it's as simple as that. AAA method, ads, angles, audiences, execute on that. So what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and actually find an affiliate product, connect it to your landing page, and create your first ad. Go ahead and find audiences that those type of people would be interested in, craft a marketing message, aka an angle, and find some sort of content. Hopefully your affiliate marketing program that you're currently working with actually has some sort of content that you can use and start implementing to start executing Facebook ads and making some money. Now if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, and join the family. Also, hit the like button. It really does help the algorithm. And if you guys want to know my #1 recommendation to make money online and how you guys can actually literally implement Facebook ads just like I am with the same offers, but you want me to do 90% of the work, click the first link in the description or the button down below. Other than that, until next time, Eric LSD Wolf of Marketing checking out.